You know, where I live, headlight washers are a great thing. A day like today, it's like +2. Got all this snow all over the place. And headlights are kind of important. It still gets dark really early. Problem is, on my car, well, come, I'll show you. So they got these lovely chrome cap, pops up, sprays the thing. Except for the fact that they break. Now obviously just the chrome cap popping off of this, not exactly a huge deal, but the chrome cap was about 80% of the price of the entire thing. So we're gonna replace this whole stupid thing. I've already replaced this one once. That was back in 2022 when I got back from fuel run. I lost it somewhere in, I don't know, Montana or Idaho or something. Didn't even know I'd used the headlight washer. But, so, and that one's lasted for now. So maybe it's just an age thing. I don't know. I used it, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago at work, before the whole window and hood situation happened. But I'm gonna run into the garage, grab the tools, and we'll get this going. So, what do you need? You need the hook to actually pull this thing up. I can't remember if there was a place to put this so I could hold it up, or if I gotta hold it up manually. And then screwdriver to pry the tab off the old one. It's really quite simple. It's just awkward. Let's see how I do. There, that was easy. Now the new one, which was, if you can believe it, cheaper from the dealer than off Amazon. Done. Well, the easiest fix you're ever going to find on a 911, short of maybe replacing the battery. Actually, no, that's harder. Anyway, so yeah, that was, I think I'm going to edit this down to a short because it may as well be. And catch you next video.